It's funny how I was talking yesterday about our collective sickness, and now I am sick myself today. And the flu came to me while I was working on one of my toughest video essays so far. I think it's the toughest and the longest I've done so far. And I've come to realize that our immune system does all the work behind the scenes. We cannot see its presence, and we come to forget the importance of our immune cells, our white cells, and they keep doing all the work. And when something happens, suddenly we are with no backup plan. We are exposed to the viruses. Does it remind you of something? God does all the unseen work behind the scenes, and we forget to say thank you, and we tend to forget to pray. Glory to God and all the things He does for us.